Looking for a local adventure in Bled? Come and follow us to the peer village of Zasip. Welcome to the storyful village of Zasip, where history, pilgrimage stories and culinary heritage await you. To the village you can arrive by foot, by bike or with Bled bus countryside line. The historic village was shaped by nature and 1,000 years of human habitation. Walk through its streets admiring the local architecture and heritage, including the Church of St. John the Baptist. When in Zasip, why don't you visit one of the Bled local selection providers, including the Trseguao family, where you can experience and taste the local pear brandy, or try local dumplings made from tapka pear flour at Kure Inn. Here you can also enjoy on many hiking paths, including on the hill of Hom. From here you get a beautiful scenery view of the entire region. Therefore, the greatest Slovenian poet called it the altar of Upper Carniola region. On the hill Hom, there are also many family activities for you to experience. Thank you for exploring this local gem with us, and we invite you to see it for yourself. But please remember to be respectful to nature and local community. Thank you, and we're looking forward to welcome you here.